Unboxing the powerhouses, a look at top DJI drones. Calling all aerial adventurers. Picking the perfect drone can be overwhelming, but fear not. We're diving into the top contenders from DJI, the undisputed king of drones. From pocket powerhouses to cinematic champions, let's see which drone takes your aerial game to new heights. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and explore these DJI marvels in detail. DJI Mini3 Pro, the mighty might of the skies. Don't let its size fool you. The DJI Mini3 Pro packs a powerful punch in a lightweight, under 250 grams, frame. This little champion evades drone registration requirements in most regions, making it perfect for travel or spontaneous adventures. Equipped with a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini3 Pro captures stunning 4K HDR video and 48MP photos. Say goodbye to shaky footage thanks to its 3-axis motorized gimbal for smooth, stabilized shots. Don't be confined by a short leash. The Mini3 Pro boasts a maximum flight time of up to 47 minutes, giving you ample time to explore and capture breathtaking aerial vistas. Don't worry about unexpected bumps. The Mini3 Pro comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance features, keeping your precious drone and your peace of mind intact. The DJI Mini3 Pro falls into the mid-range price category, making it a compelling option for those seeking a balance between portability, image quality, and affordability. For DJI Avatar Combo, immerse yourself in the flight. Buckle up for a thrilling ride. The DJI Avatar Combo is an FPV, first-person view, drone, offering an immersive, pilot-like experience. See the world through the drone's lens in real time with its high-definition goggles. Built for capturing adrenaline-pumping adventures, the Avatar boasts a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording up to 4K 60fps video with a super-wide 155 degrees field of view. Don't let its sleek design fool you. The Avatar is built tough, making it ideal for withstanding the occasional bumps and scrapes that come with action shots. Even if you're new to FPV flying, the Avatar offers intuitive controls and multiple flight modes to ease you into the experience. Plus, its emergency brake button ensures a quick stop if needed. The DJI Avatar Combo falls on the higher end of the price spectrum due to its immersive FPV experience and rugged build. DJI AIR 3 Flymore Combo, the all-around aerial ace. The DJI AIR 3 Flymore Combo strikes a perfect balance between portability and power. This mid-weight drone offers impressive image quality and flight time, making it a versatile option for various aerial needs. Equipped with a Micro Four Thirds sensor and a variable aperture lens, the AIR 3 captures stunning 5.1K video and 48MP photos. Its color profile options like D-Log 10-bit provide incredible creative flexibility for post-processing. Enjoy extended adventures with a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes. Explore vast landscapes or capture intricate details with ample airtime at your disposal. You can fly with confidence thanks to the AIR 3's advanced obstacle avoidance system, APAS 5.0. This intelligent system helps you navigate complex environments while keeping your drone safe. The DJI AIR 3 Flymore Combo sits comfortably in the mid-range price category, offering excellent value for its features and performance. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the cinematic champion. For those seeking the ultimate in image quality and professional-grade features, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro reigns supreme. This high-end drone boasts a powerful Hasselblad camera system for truly cinematic results. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the Mavic 3 Pro features a dual camera system. The main Hasselblad L2D's 20C camera packs a 4/3 CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 5.1K video and 20MP photos. Not just for wide shots, the Mavic 3 Pro boasts a second telephoto lens with a 7x zoom capability. Captured distant details are a dynamic compression to your aerial footage. Explore for longer with a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes. This extended airtime allows you to capture complex scenes and expansive landscapes with ease. The Mavic 3 Pro comes equipped with DJI's most advanced obstacle avoidance system, OcuSync 3.0 Plus, offering omnidirectional protection and a smoother, more reliable flight experience. As the top-of-the-line offering, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro falls into the premium price category. However, for professional videographers or those seeking the absolute best image quality, the investment might be well worth it. 1. DJI Mini 2 SE, the budget-friendly bon voyage. Tight on budget, but still craving aerial exploration? The DJI Mini 2 SE is a fantastic entry point into the world of drone photography. This lightweight and ultra-portable drone offers excellent value for its price. Equipped with a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 2 SE shoots stunning 3K HDR video and 12 MP photos. Its 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures smooth, stabilized footage, even in windy conditions. Weighing less than 249 grams, the Mini 2 SE evades drone registration requirements in most regions. This makes it the perfect travel companion for capturing memories from breathtaking locations. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time with the Mini 2 SE. While not the longest, it provides ample time for capturing scenic shots or exploring new areas. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the most budget-friendly option in this lineup. This makes it a great choice for beginners or hobbyists who want to experience the thrill of drone flying without breaking the bank. So there you have it. With a range of features, sizes, and price points, DJI offers a drone for every aerial adventurer. Which one will take you to new heights? Let us know in the comments below.